So we've got this Whirlpool French door refrigerator. It's been one of the single biggest disappointments of my entire life. If we push the ice maker right now, all we hear is a bunch of rattling, no ice. And that's after I've changed the water valve in it twice, spent a whole bunch of money on it, and it still doesn't work. It's a piece of junk. So here's how I'm gonna fix it. We take the ice drawer out. I might have to set the phone down to do that. Or here, Vicky, why don't you take the ice door out. We set it on the table. You go to the grocery store, you buy a bag of ice, and you dump it in the ice maker. And then you take the rest of the ice and you put it in the deep freeze down in the basement, and when this piece of crap ice maker runs out of ice, then you go down and you fill it up again. That's how you fix the ice maker in a Whirlpool French door refrigerator. And then when you push the button on the ice maker, you get ice. So that's how you fix a piece of crap Whirlpool French door refrigerator.